how to install Remini Baby AI Generator app. So for that you need to open up your Play Store or App Store, and after that search for Remini, and this is how it will appear. All you have to do is just click on install and make sure you don't update it right from the beginning, as you might lose the option of doing it for free. So don't update it as of now, and after downloading it just open it up, create an account on it, and it will ask you to pay, but don't pay, just click on close on the left hand side on top. After that you need to give permission for it to use your photos and generate your baby. Just give the permission, and after that click on AI photos at the bottom instead of enhance, and now click on let's do it. Select the gender and your photos, and after that you will be able to generate baby photos, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.